Hello everyone, welcome to GITEX Insights 2025. I am joined by Sakkeer Hussain from D-Link. Hi Sakkeer, how are you doing?
Hi, good. Thank you. How are you? Good to see you.
All well,
Yes,
thank you so
smiling face
much.
Always.
Thank you so much. Sakkeer, we'll start with how D-Link is turning connectivity into measurable outcomes.
See, basically, as everyone know, dealing in Middle East and Africa is one of the oldest networking player in the Middle East and this Middle East and Africa. And we have been here for the past almost like more than 30 years as physically present. So today we are looking at the network gone much smarter, and the speed is one of the main criteria as usual. But the speed without control is something which is useless.
Yeah.
So what we are trying to do is we made that speed along with that smart and intelligent network. So basically, which along with the speed, as a normal network, you need the control, which is like the security and all the other measures, and it has to be intelligent also. So with the latest product and what we have launched in a couple of years back is Aquila Pro AI and Eagle Pro AI. This family, what is this? Is basically this enables a network into a smarter network with all the security features and capability of AI. When I say AI, basically this is the talk of the ICT industry since some time now. So most of the other brands, they do focus on the upper segment, which is the enterprise segment of the AI. But dealing as always, the consumer comes the first. So we are trying to put that the features of that segment into the consumer segment. This is where we are targeting with Aquila Pro AI. With all our latest products, network products will have, let's say the consumer products, the routers and access point and mesh routers will have the capability of AI feature into the consumer. So what we are trying to do is we enable that feature to them, no additional cost, only the one-time hardware purchase, no annual fees. This will make that all the network and the normal home will be a smarter network.
And what makes Wi-Fi 7 and 5G key to AI-ready networks?
See again, the key segment, the key area people are looking at the speed. Today, the Wi-Fi 7 can offer you more than 10 Gbps on Wi-Fi, which is much more than the wired line, whatever we have currently right now. So again, my previous statement, the speed without the security and all things are like, say, basically, it's not that useful. So what we have launched later, another segment is something called MIT, which is made in Taiwan. So the products are enabled in made in Taiwan, which looks fantastic with the quality. Also, we have partnered with a lot of security companies to enable that security feature to our products. So all the Aquila Pro AI, the made in Taiwan MIT products comes with a more security securely enabled products, which will make the consumer more confidence of what the product is using in it.
Okay, and how is D-Link helping partners deliver intelligent managed networks?
See, D-Link has been believing in the partner ecosystem since very long time. So we are one of the first brand to enable that partner system, which has been running very successfully for the 25 years. So I will use that 25 years again and again because we have been here and we have felt the market. We have the forerunners in terms of the technology or the products launching in the market. So we have a very close relation with our partners. So I'm very proud to say that the partners we have from the last 25 years before till today, we are partnering with them in a very successful way. This is one of the model which all the others are trying to follow as of now. But this is one of the best and formula which you have enabled. We always equip with the partners with the latest trainings and association and everything. So they are also happy. And eventually, as a brand, D-Link is also doing very good.
And how events like GITEX are helping in D-Link's growth strategy? See,
again, D-Link has been participating in GITEX since the beginning of GITEX, I would say, maybe like more than 25-30 years now, we have been participating with the GITEX. So in the older days, even that Google and all the online things are not that enabled, this is one of the best opportunity for us to meet the customers, to showcase our latest technology and products to them and get the real feedback and face-to-face meetings, which enabled us to understand the market and understand the pattern of the customer. So we always run ahead of the market. Like I will give you an example. Today, everything is like cloud-based. So in a consumer segment, I will give you an example. In the year 2008, D-Link has launched something called MyD-Link.com, which is a cloud platform owned by D-Link, very specifically owned by D-Link. D-Link has invested heavily into it. And this has been running very successfully. So in year 2008, none of the other brands were not even thinking about this. So when we launched this, we made it successful and others started follow. But the mistake what they are doing is, they are launching something called app enabled. It's just easy basically. Because if you have your own cloud platform, you need to invest, you need to manage. But that is very costly and it's a time-consuming project. So what they do is they give the similar feature app-enabled. But the problem is that in that case, hardware is run by one vendor, software is done by another party, and the additional things are by the third party.
Yeah.
So which doesn't make that collaboration very successful, and there will be a lot of space left for the intrusion and all the security features. But in our case, since we launched that platform, there is no security, nothing, everything is running fine. So this is maybe one of the key area which D-Link is successful, even after 25 years, which we are surrounded with a lot of competition, but still we are running as one of the most successful brand in the networking segment.
Thank you so much for your great
Thank you so much
insights.
also.